12 hours like this on our radar. Gusty, mild evening out there and a relatively cool overnight. And those winds that we have outside, they're bumpy right now. They'll settle back overnight tonight. Our next threat, we have an alert day for this. A heavy rainfall, locally damaging winds on Friday. We'll get into the timing of that. And so far the weekend looks like a bright start. We could finish with a few showers coming up on Sunday. All right, so here's what we have. High pressure offshore now. Winds are coming in from the west and southwest, and that's a mild direction for us. So it is comparatively mild out there right now. Watching this area of moisture and this area of moisture. The two will kind of join forces here and dump a whole lot of rain and some strong winds on us. That's not until Friday. 43 right now in Boston, and this is big because if you look back at the last bunch of days, I mean, you have to go all the way back to a week ago when we had a temperature as warm as we're at right now. This is definitely one of the warmer days that we've had this month so far. And it gets even warmer for tomorrow. See, we've got the gusty winds out there as we head through about 8 o'clock this evening. They'll still be gusting at times 20, 30 miles per hour. But watch what happens as we get on toward tomorrow morning. They drop off considerably. So it's a nice, quiet start to your Thursday morning. Next 12 hours like this, I would expect to find at least some clouds in the sky right through this afternoon, this evening, and tonight. Our temperatures not falling terribly fast. We'll fall back to about 40 degrees or so by 7 o'clock and into the 30s after about the midnight hour. High temperatures today right around 40 to 45 degrees on average. And there are those winds again. You see them still kind of bumpy with us this evening on toward about 11 o'clock tonight, and then they'll really start to settle back after about midnight tonight. So it's about 20 to 30 for your temperature spread tonight, a mostly clear sky and partial sunshine in store for tomorrow. 45 to 50 degrees. No, that's not a typo. That's actually what's going to happen tomorrow. I think 50s will be best bet toward Boston, down toward Norwood, and some south coastal communities, South Shore communities. There may be enough of a wind off the Mesa water here to keep temperatures held in the mid to upper 40s down toward the south coast. 43 in Worcester, 46 in Keene. Okay, so our alert day. High pressure moving offshore, storm system grabbing a bunch of Gulf moisture and flinging it right up the eastern seaboard. This is 8 o'clock Friday morning. Looks wet around here, and it's just going to get wetter as the day progresses. Now, we also have to talk about those wind gusts. They'll be gusting at times to near 50, even potentially 60 miles per hour, especially for the Cape and eastern Massachusetts. There are high wind watches out right now. They may be expanded, and of course, they would be upgraded potentially to a high wind warning when we're more sure of it, when we get to within 24 hours of the event, or a wind advisory when maybe the winds don't look quite as powerful, but still, powerful enough to cause some localized damage. So we're under that watch now for the Cape and the islands. All right, and there is that alert for you, specifically for Cape Cod, Martha's Vineyard, and Nantucket. How much rain are we talking? Generally between half an inch to an inch. There may be some locally higher amounts. This is a convective system. In other words, it almost has some thunderstorm appearance to it. I don't know that there'll necessarily be thunderstorms, but there may be some fits of heavier rain in here where if, one community picks up on that, you could get locally higher amounts. Timing on this, it's really the morning drive through the midday and afternoon time frame. By the evening, the storm's getting out of here, the winds shift direction, and we're getting, guess what? Cooler as we step toward Saturday. But it's really for only one day. I think our temperatures are back into the 40s for Sunday. And it comes with a couple of showers as well. I know, folks, our chances for a white Christmas are getting smaller and smaller by the day. But you know what? At least we have some mild weather to show for it.